Hi, welcome. I'm Eric Lanask here with the TMC Roadshow. We're in San Jose this week, and I'm happy to be talking with Kaustubh Phanse. Kaustubh is the principal wireless architect at AirTight Networks. Welcome. Thanks for joining me.
Hi, pleasure.
So, a lot has changed in the wireless game. What has that meant for security, in wireless security?
Right. So, AirTight has been the leader in wireless security for almost 8 to 9 years now. Wireless security is more important than ever, especially when enterprises are deploying Wi-Fi access networks, not only in their headquarters but also across remote offices, and more and more enterprises are getting distributed. Also, you have this bring your own device or BYOD trend, where employees, contractors are bringing their smartphones, tablets into the corporate environment. So wireless security, I think the wireless intrusion prevention system that AirTight provides helps enterprises protect their networks, both the wired side and the wireless side, from wireless threats.
So what changes with regards to security implications when you're taking that wireless environment from a single location to multi-location enterprises?
Right. So yeah, that's a good question. I mean, when you talk about wireless security or even Wi-Fi access at distributed enterprises, I think the key there is to enable enterprises to manage their security policies, Wi-Fi access policies at those different locations centrally. And one of the key innovations that AirTight has made in the in fact, AirTight was the first vendor back in 2008 when AirTight took its top-ranked wireless intrusion prevention system into the cloud. So AirTight was really the pioneer of cloud-managed wireless security.
How are you able to do that? How do you take from the network on premises into the cloud the security solution?
Right. So what we have done is architected our product in a way so that in case of wireless security, the wireless sensor device that AirTight has, and in case of even Wi-Fi access, the Wi-Fi access point that we have, it can be literally drop shipped at the customer locations. And AirTight has a proprietary technique where the sensors or the access points, as long as those locations have internet access, those devices can automatically find their way to the AirTight cloud and download all the policies that you configure using a single web-based console. The other innovation I think that AirTight has made is we have this patented location-based hierarchy management, which is truly sort of the innovation that simplifies when it comes to managing even tens of thousands of locations, distributed locations, whether it's across a country or even across continents.
So you've talked a little bit about how the wireless environment has changed and how security implications have changed. Obviously, AirTight continues to innovate with the market. What else are you looking at doing?
Right. So AirTight, as I mentioned, has a strong legacy of wireless security. We in fact have been top ranked in the Gartner market scope on wireless LAN intrusion prevention system for several years now. And in fact, last year, 2011, Gartner rated AirTight as the only vendor with the highest ranking of strong positive in their Gartner market scope. So coming from that strong legacy of security, what we have done since 2010 is brought that security legacy and our experience with the cloud to Wi-Fi access. So a lot of our customers whom AirTight provided the wireless security and PCI compliance solutions also wanted us to bundle Wi-Fi access. So we do have now a lot of customers in the retail hospitality industry, but now we are expanding it to other verticals as well, wherein we have now both wireless security and Wi-Fi access managed from the cloud. And one of the things that we are really excited is an upcoming launch that we are about to announce next week, where AirTight is launching first of its kind Wi-Fi access platform. It's a dual radio platform that provides 3x3 11N high-speed access at the same time provides or allows you to have dedicated wireless intrusion prevention system at the same time in a single device. So previously, enterprises had required separate Wi-Fi access, separate VIPs, or the security that was embedded in the Wi-Fi access was not good enough. So AirTight brings the top-ranked VIPs into its Wi-Fi access product with this particular launch.
So has this been just a combination of two prior products, or is there a change when you combine the two as well?
Right, it's definitely, I think, a change because you can combine wireless security with Wi-Fi access in many different ways. So back in 2010, in fact, was when we launched our cloud-managed Wi-Fi access, and we did have a single radio platform which could either operate as a sensor, the wireless security sensor, or as a Wi-Fi access point with what we call as background scanning, which is basically doing part-time security or wireless monitoring. With this new platform that we are about to launch, what we have done is we have, as I said, a dual radio platform. So now, for the first time, you have a software configurable platform that allows you to run Wi-Fi access or security at the same time. Or if customers want to configure it differently, have 2 access points on the same device at the same time, or simply have just a sensor on that device. Users have complete flexibility in how they are going to use that device.
Excellent. So no longer is it a question of doing one or the other. You can have it do both at the same time.
Exactly.
Kaustubh, thank you very much for joining me here at TMC on the road in San Jose. It's been a pleasure.
Yeah, thank you.